Hello students, in today's session we will study about digital documentation unit 3 and today topic is mail merge. Mail merge is very important feature of word processor. It is used to create a series of same documents with multiple addresses. Mean to say with the help of mail merge you can send a letter to multiple addresses without using the copy and paste option. So mail means message and merge means attach. Mean to say you can attach a message with multiple addresses. Then the main document is merged with the mailing address, hence the name mail merge. It is used to send invitation, letters or print certificates for several people. For example, if you wish to inform your customers of a new product, then the company information and information about the new product are the same in all the documents, but recipient information changes, that is first name, last name, address, etc. Recipient who receive messages. In mail merge, two documents are created, one with the common content in the main document and other holding the address list is called the data source. Then how we create the data source? Then first is, what is a data source? A data source is a set of mailing address in the form of a rows and column, generally called the database. The content of the database is in the form of data records. Each row is a record of each person which contain the various fields such as name, address, pin code, etc. To create an address book using spreadsheet or database is little easier as they use table format to store data. Table format like combination of rows and column. So it is also possible to create an address book during the mail merge process by using the mail merge wizard. For this, follow the given steps. Firstly, create a new document and type the letter to be sent to the multiple recipients. This is working area, then type your letter here. Then click on tools menu, then click on mail merge wizard option. Then a window will appear as shown in figure 3.38b. Then click on select starting document option and then click on use the current document option. Then click on next button. Then select the document type, then click on letter option, then again click on next option, then click on select address list. Then address list window will appear which will allow you to create the recipient list and show on figure 3.38d and e. See here. Then click on create button. After clicking on create button, a new address list window will be appear. Then under the address information section you can enter the information of the recipient like title, first name, last name, company name, address, city, etc. Then if you want to fill the data of the recipient as per the same fields, then normally fill the data. And if you wish to customize the fields of the recipient information, customize means you can add, delete or rename any field according to your requirement. Then for this click on customize button and see figure 3.38h, that is here. Then from here you can add any field, delete any field and rename any field according to your requirement, as well as you can change the order of the appearance of the fields with using the arrows up and down. Then after customizing the fields, enter the data in the new format. After entering the data, first recipient as shown in figure 3.38g, click on new button to enter the information of the next recipient. After entering the information of the entire recipient, then click on OK button and close the list. Then after clicking on OK button, the Save As dialog box will appear. Then write the file name according to your requirement. Then click on Save button. Then, after saving the list, a window will appear as shown in figure 3.38J. Then from here, select the list and click on OK button. Then after clicking on OK button, you will move to step 3 of Mail Merge Wizard. Then a window inserted address block will appear, which will show the address block. Then check if address the data matches correctly, then click on next button. Then you will move to step 4 of the Mail Merge Wizard. A create solution window will appear. Here you can set the solution for male and female recipient. For example, in field name select gender option and field value select male or female option. Then click on next button. Now you will move to step 5 of Mail Merge Wizard. Then click on adjust layout button. From here you can set the margin, that is from top and from left. Then click on finish button. In next step, the writer window will display the document with the Mail Merge toolbar below the standard toolbars. See Mail Merge toolbar. Then now click on the edit individual documents option. Then you can verify all the letters of the recipients before printing. You can use the other options on the Mail Merge toolbar, such as to exclude, save merge document, print and send email, etc. To exclude some of the recipients, check off on the checkbox of exclude recipient. To save the merged document, click on the saved merged document button. To print the merged document, click on print merged document button. And to send the same letter by email, click on send email message button. Then with this you can send same letter to multiple addresses. Thank you.